Okay, someone had asked me to do a video on how to actually do the names for the tumbler tag. So I have a file in my system on my Silhouette program, and then I have a little folder here. It's called Zindy. So they send you the blanks that are downloadable. So this is the actual size of the blank. And what I do is let's see, I think I ungroup it. Yep. So I'm going to ungroup. I'm going to remove the blue. And this is the actual back part of the tag. So I'm just going to turn that color. I'm going to remove that. And over here I have the girl's name. And her name is Ashley. This one is in Photo Shoot. That is the font. So I'm going to copy and paste. Oh, I haven't even welded her name yet. Hold on. So what I will do is right click, weld, and then I will group it together. Then I'm going to move her name up here and see how she fits on this tag without going over the sides. And that probably is about 1.75 or 1.8 by, like, let's see, that one's 1.05. Okay, so the size on this one is over here 2.294 by 1.050. So you can see how that one is going to be placed on that tag. And then from there, I'll just remove that little part because I don't need to cut that. Goodness, sorry, clicking on the wrong thing. I'm going to move that over. I just want to cut her name out in whatever vinyl that I have. Then I'll go over to send. And then you can see that the red part here is her cut line. And that's exactly what will be cut out whenever I have it connected. And for just regular vinyl, permanent vinyl on my Cameo, I will set it to a depth of 2 and a force of 10, and then the speed I think is 5. So that's what my normal cut settings are for permanent vinyl. So I'm going to go ahead and get that set up and get ready to cut. Okay, now that we have it cut out, you can see her name here. Now these letters are fairly small, so this is typically what I do. I take my pen, and you can see on the tip of that is just a little pokey part. So that's really cool. I got that on Amazon. It'll be linked in the description. So what I do is I go in here and I take out the really small inner pieces first. And hoping you can see this. Oh my gosh, you probably can't. I'm sorry, y'all. Give me a minute. Let me get organized here. So I'm just removing the little bitty parts inside, like the little piece in the A, the S, and the 2 E's. And now what I will do is take my transfer tape and I'm going to stick it on top. And now what I do is called reverse weeding. Because the letters are somewhat small, I don't want them to get stuck and get completely ripped off. So I take my transfer tape, stick it on top, I remove the backing, set that aside, and then we're just going to peel off the extra purple, and everything else should stick onto the transfer tape. And you just go kind of slow with it. You don't have to rush. You can rip it off if you want to, but I would rather not cut out more names and waste more vinyl if I don't have to. So that's exactly what it looks like when you reverse weed. And you can tell that I have some stuff that's stuck on the transfer tape because this one is really sticky. So I stick it onto my pants or my shirt real quick, and I just make sure that it's not going to be super sticky. And so from there, I will stick that onto my tag. I've got to get this situated for me, so give me just a second. to see how it how it goes. And this is in real time. Sometimes it takes a minute or two for me to get the names on here, but that's why, you know, these aren't done super fast all the time. They take a lot of time. They take a lot of computer work. They take a lot of epoxy and glitter, and then the tag itself, you know, you have to pay for. And then, you know, you're paying for the transfer tape. So now you just want to make sure that it is stuck on there really, really well. I do push this down for just a couple of minutes if I need to. And if it comes up, just go really slow. You know, if it comes up, just stop what you're doing. Put that transfer tape back down, push it in there a little bit more, and you're good to go. So now it is stuck on there, and I can go in and add more of my UV resin on top. And this is the combination that she wanted. She wanted a silver holographic glitter with a dark purple name. So that's going to look really pretty. Hopefully that helps you and anyone else getting a little bit confused on how you cut and print names. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I will do my best to answer you. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all make sure to like and subscribe, please. I'm really trying to grow this channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.